Now the next one question we have to consider, show that dy by dx equals to y upon x in the following cases. So number of questions are there. Out of that we have to solve one of them. So sec in bracket x raised to 5 plus y raised to 5 upon x raised to 5 minus y raised to 5 equals to a square. So if we consider given information, then we have to transfer that x raised to 5 plus y raised to 5 upon x raised to 5 minus y raised to 5 point of view, sec towards the right hand side. So it becomes sec inverse of a square. So just it is a constant point of view, to consider it is b. So taking cross multiplication, x raised to 5 plus y raised to 5 equals to b into x raised to 5 minus b into y raised to 5. So therefore taking terms which are same to the left and right, so 1 minus b into x raised to 5 equals to minus 1 minus b in bracket into y raised to 5. So therefore x raised to 5 upon y raised to 5 equals to 1 minus b. If we transfer to the left, then it becomes minus in bracket 1 plus b divided by 1 minus b equals to, this calculation also constant, so you can consider c. So c equals to x raised to 5 divided by y raised to 5, but you can write also x raised to 5 equals to c into y raised to 5, differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of that, 5 into x raised to 4 equals to, c is a coefficient outside the derivative, c into 5 into y raised to 4 into dy by dx. Transfer that term to the left. So therefore 5 cancel. So dy by dx, it is x raised to 4 upon c into y raised to 4. So you can put the value of c, that means 1 upon c point up. You know c, it is x raised to 5 upon y raised to 5. So if we put that value, so 1 upon c point of view, y raised to 5 upon x raised to 5. So therefore that x raised to 4 and y raised to 4 get cancelled. So remaining it is y upon x. Now the questions from JEE. As we consider e raised to x plus e raised to y equals to e raised to x plus y, then we have to find dy by dx. Options are given. So for that, if we consider the given information, then differentiate first of all with respect to x. So e raised to x plus e raised to y into dy by dx equals to, derivative of e raised to f of x. So e raised to f of x into f dash of x. So e raised to x plus y into 1 plus dy by dx. So if we consider the terms with the dy by dx and without dy by dx, then it becomes e raised to x minus e raised to x plus y minus in bracket e raised to y minus e raised to x plus y into dy by dx. Reverse substitution point of view, just you can put the value of e raised to x plus y, it is e raised to x plus e raised to y. So some terms get cancelled in that bracket definitely. So as we consider that value of dy by dx, then it is minus e raised to y upon e raised to x. So we can modify. So minus e raised to y minus x. So the option 8 is correct one. Second example, as we consider then x raised to 3 into y raised to 5 equals to x plus y raised to 8. Then dy by dx we have to calculate. So options are given A, B, C and D. So if we consider the theory result, x raised to m into y raised to n equals to x plus y raised to m plus n, then definitely value of dy by dx, it is y upon x. You can consider the values of m and n, any values. So x raised to 3 into y raised to 5 equals to x plus y raised to 8, it is there. So therefore you can write directly that value of dy by dx, it is y by x. Next one, this type of form for implicit function means up to infinity functions, if we consider that, it is important. So y equals to given square root of sin x plus square root of sin x plus square root of sin x plus and so on plus up to infinity. So we have to calculate dy by dx. Options are given A, B, C and that D. So for that, if we consider given information, then in that case of this type of question, except one term, we have to consider the remaining terms. In case of that, it is y. Or if suppose it is given in terms of x, then we have to consider except one term, it is x. So y square equals to sin x plus y, taking square. So taking derivative with respect to x, 2y into dy by dx equals to cos x plus dy by dx. Transfer dy by dx to the left. So it becomes 2y minus 1 into dy by dx equals to cos x. Therefore, dy by dx equals to cos x upon 2y minus 1. So these types of questions may be asked in the exam for theory as well as JEE. So prepare the remaining questions which are given in the text. Thank you.